Ready to pass the Microsoft MD-102 exam? Here's your complete 2026 study plan, broken down step by step. The MD-102 is the single exam you need to become a Microsoft 365 certified Endpoint Administrator Associate. It replaced the older MD-100 and MD-101 exams, consolidating their content into a single, more focused test. This modern certification validates your skills in the tools that matter most today: Microsoft Intune, Windows Autopilot, Conditional Access, and Defender for Endpoint. For IT pros managing Windows 11 fleets in enterprise or MSP environments, this credential is a critical career milestone, as the old certifications can no longer be renewed. Let's break down the exam logistics. You'll have 100 minutes to tackle 40 to 60 questions, and you need a scaled score of 700 out of 1,000 to pass. The exam fee is around $165 in the United States, but this varies by country. Expect a mix of question types, including multiple choice, drag and drop, detailed case studies, and even performance-based labs that test your real-world skills directly inside a live environment. This mix means pure memorization won't be enough to succeed. The exam is broken into 4 key domains. The first 2, deploy Windows Client and manage identity and compliance, make up nearly half the test. This is where you'll prove your skills deploying Windows 11 with Autopilot, managing device identities in Microsoft Entra, and enforcing security through compliance and conditional access policies. Mastering Autopilot's user-driven and self-deploying modes is especially critical, as is understanding how a device's compliance state directly impacts a user's access to corporate resources and applications. The heart of the exam lies in Domain 3, manage, maintain, and protect devices, which alone accounts for up to 45% of your score. This domain covers your day-to-day Intune administration tasks, creating configuration profiles, managing Windows updates, and securing endpoints with BitLocker and Microsoft Defender. The final domain, Manage Applications, focuses on deploying everything from modern Win32 apps to Microsoft 365 apps, including the crucial skill of creating robust detection rules to ensure your application deployments succeed every time. Theory isn't enough to pass MD-102. The exam includes performance-based labs and case studies that test real-world muscle memory. Your best strategy is to build a hands-on lab environment. You can get a free, renewable Microsoft 365 developer program tenant, which gives you an E5 license and sample users. Combine this with a Windows 11 virtual machine to practice core scenarios like running an Autopilot deployment, packaging a Win32 app, and configuring a device compliance policy from start to finish. A structured study plan is essential. The article lays out an 8 to 12-week schedule, dedicating time to each domain, from Windows deployment to application management, with a heavy focus on hands-on labs. Once you pass, your certification is valid for 1 year. But don't worry about the cost. Renewal is free. 6 months before it expires, a short, unproctored assessment will appear on Microsoft Learn. Pass it to extend your credential for another year, keeping you current with the latest endpoint management technology. You now have the roadmap to conquer the MD-102 exam. For the complete detailed 12-week study plan, links to all the free resources mentioned, and a deep dive into every exam objective, visit the full guide on our website. And when you're ready to test your knowledge, start our free MD-102 practice questions with AI-powered explanations to build the confidence you need for exam day.